Hi Preetham,
Hi, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Before starting that, congratulations for completing your internship program.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Okay. Preetham, introduce about yourself and about your college.
Ma'am, myself is Preetham. I've come here from Govt Polytechnic Immadihalli. My college is in Immadihalli, Whitefield, near Whitefield. So I'm doing civil engineering in final year, third year, sixth year.
Okay, that's nice. Like, how you got to know about CMTI Institute?
It was because of our CR class representative. He had recommended us from seeing some social media thing.
Okay, like, how was the internship program? What you all have you learned in the theory classes?
Ma'am, we have learned about the basic things we have to carry with us when we are in site, like helmets, shoes, and jackets, and what are the safety precautions we have to do, and how the site works under pressure. Everything we came to know things, how to learn, how to see a project, a plan, and how to make it execute everything.
Okay. Then how was the site experience for you? Which site you have went and what you have learned in the site?
Ma'am, I've worked around like 1.5 months in Jayanagar only, ma'am, in near third block. It was I went to the company named PGB. So yeah, I was on site. Moreover, the site we had to do plastering work and centering work was going on. So it was like more than we expected, ma'am. Like the book is different, and what we had learnt in the site is totally different. Like it was more entertaining, more skill. Like we learned many various things about this site and all.
Okay, that's nice. Then how was the trainer support towards you?
Ma'am, really to tell, they were like we were behind them only. They taught us many things, ma'am. Like how many questions we asked, they did not hesitate to tell, but they answered everything, even the smallest questions, ma'am.
Okay, I think you have learned much topic in the practical and theory classes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which more did it help for you, like theory classes or practical classes?
Really to tell, both were on the same page only, ma'am. But what to tell is the practical is different from theory. Both are different, but on the same page we can tell that what we are theory is totally different. Seeing, visualizing, and learning is totally different. So
Okay. Okay, Preetham. Like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI and about your internship also?
really, if you have interest, you have to come learn here. Because the staff here and everybody are very cooperative, they give us more motivation to study and other things. Really, I mean, you have to come here and study.
Okay. Thank you, Preetham, for your feedback. Like upcoming exams, do well and crack well.
Thank you very much.
Based in a good company, have a bright future.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Preetham.
Okay.